case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1975, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of North Georgia Finishing, Inc. v. Di-Chem, Inc., which focused on the idea that before the government can take someone's property, they must provide an opportunity for the person to explain why they need it. The case was prompted by a dispute over Georgia's garnishment laws, which allowed property to be taken without notice or the opportunity to contest the seizure in court. Despite the Georgia Supreme Court's ruling in favor of the garnishment procedure, the U.S. Supreme Court found these laws to be unconstitutional and in violation of due process. The lawsuit began when the plaintiff filed an affidavit and bond for garnishment against the defendant, who then filed a motion to dismiss the writ, arguing it violated their due process and equal protection rights. The Georgia Supreme Court upheld the garnishment procedure, but the U.S. Supreme Court disagreed and reversed their decision. Citing the precedent set by Fuentes v. Chevin, the U.S. Supreme Court determined that Georgia's garnishment statutes lacked the necessary safeguards provided in the Louisiana statute. The Georgia statute allowed the writ of garnishment to be issued based on a conclusory affidavit by the creditor or their attorney, without personal knowledge of the facts. Furthermore, the court clerk could issue the writ without a judge's participation, and there was no provision for an early hearing to challenge the garnishment. Ultimately, the U.S. Supreme Court reversed the judgment of the Georgia Supreme Court and remanded the case for further proceedings consistent with their opinion, thus asserting the importance of due process when seizing an individual's property.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.